Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Just recently, I had a customer ask me, why is there water still on the top of my glasses? And why aren't my dishes coming out dry? Well, that's a two-part question, which we'll give you the answers for. First, if you look at the new racks here they have, you see how these are all kind of tilted? They're not dead flat anymore. That's because they want everything at an angle. And the reason they want that is, many years ago, well, not so many years ago, but before the advent of the Energy Star, dishwashers had a heating element in here like this, okay? And what happened was, it went and it did all this washing and drying, or washing, and then when it dried, this actually turned on and turned this into a little mini oven. And what it did is actually heat it up enough that it would evaporate all of the water. Well, thanks to Energy Star ratings, this is no longer used as a heater. It's just a water heater, that's it. So when the water gets a temperature, it heats up your metals, it heats up your glass, it heats up your stuff that will actually hold pressure or heat, and it will actually allow those to dry. Now, if you have a cup upside down that has a little, little cavity in it, it's not going to melt that water. That's never going to go away. So they want to make sure that you have your dishes at an angle so it'll roll off. Okay, now this is a modern Energy Star appliance. Yes, it still has the heater, but it does not turn on like the other ones used to heat it up. This is the new style design where you don't see a heater. Okay, it still has a heater in here. You just can't see it because it's hidden, and it's just a water heater and a water heater only. Okay, it gets the water to about between 150 and 170 degrees, which is enough to get your plates, your metals, and your cups and stuff hot enough that the water will eventually come off those, but it won't dry them anymore. So you have to use rinse aid. That will help the water come off the sides, but it's never going to dry. They're never going to dry again. So the days of when your dishwasher actually had nothing but hot air coming out, everything was crystal clear dry, that's never going to happen again. So you need to use some sort of rinse aid, and you want to make sure when you load your dishes that there's always an angle to them so water will always come off. Okay, so it is what it is. It's the unintended side effect of the Energy Star is not being able to have these things heat up enough to actually dry. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for some more wonderful information. Thank you very much.